Correct your English. A peace agreement was signed between Europe and US. A peace accord was signed between Europe and US. He deposits money in foreign banks. He deposits money in offshore accounts. The money will be put in your account. The money will be credited to your account. You are responsible for what you do to the public. You are accountable to the public. The new vaccine is a great success. The new vaccine is a remarkable accomplishment, significant accomplishment, major accomplishment, huge accomplishment, impressive accomplishment, considerable accomplishment. Can you tell us what happened? Can you give an account of what happened? Finally, the task has been finished. Finally, the task has been accomplished. He learnt it from his own experience. He learnt it firsthand.